So, good day everyone. I am Justin Arya from this Screen 3C. So, I will now demonstrate the parts and functions of four wheels vehicles. First of all, the roof. Roof protects passengers from sun, rain, and other weather conditions.
Go.
Next is the hood.
Go.
Hood covers and protects the engine's compartment.
Bre.
Next is the grill.
Go.
Grill allows airflow to cool the radiator and engine.
Go.
Next is the bumper.
Go.
Bumpers absorb the impact during collisions and protect the body and lights.
Go.
Next is the windshield. Windshield protect the passengers from wind, dust, and debris while allowing clear vision.
Go.
Next is the wiper. Wipers clean the windshield for better visibility during rain or dust.
Go.
Next is the headlight.
Go.
Headlight illuminate the road during low visibility or nighttime driving.
Go.
Next is the wheel or tire.
Go.
Tires provide traction and support the vehicle load while moving.
Go.
Next is the rim.
Go.
Holds the tires and rotate to move the car forward or backward.
Go.
Next is the door.
Go.
Doors allow entry and exits of passengers.
Go.
Next is the window.
Go.
Windows allow light and air inside the vehicle can be open or closed. Next is the side mirror.
Go.
Side mirror help the driver see vehicles or objects beside and behind the car. Next is the tail light.
Go.
Tail light indicate the vehicle presence and show braking or turning signals.
Go.
Next is the license plate holder. License plate holder holds a registration plate for vehicle identification.
Go.
And those are the external parts and functions of this vehicle.
Go.
Now I will demonstrate the internal parts and function of this vehicle. First, the steering wheel. Used by the driver to control the direction of the vehicle.
Go.
Next is the gear stick.
Go.
Gear stick or gear lever used to change gears manually.
Go.
Next is a handbrake.
Go.
Handbrake prevents the vehicle from moving when parked.
Go.
Next is the air conditioning.
Okay.
Air conditioning regulates temperatures and air circulation inside the cabin.
Go.
Next is the seat.
Go.
Seats provide comfort and safety for the driver and passengers. Next is a seat belt.
Go.
Seat belt protects occupation during sudden stops or collisions.
Go.
Next is the rear view mirrors.
Go.
Rear view mirror allows the driver to see the road behind the car.
Go.
Next is the pedals.
Go.
The accelerator, brake, and clutch.
Go.
Accelerator controls the amount of fuel entering the engines to adjust speed.
Go.
Brake system slow down or stops the vehicle. Clutch engage and disengage the engine from the transmission while shifting gears. Next is the horn. Horn used to alert other drivers or pedestrians.
Go.
Next is the glove compartment.
Go.
Glove compartment storage space for small items and documents.
Go.
And that's all for my internal and external parts of this vehicle. Thank you.